Hello, I'm Mihela. Today we'll be talking about the least common cormorant in Sri Lanka. The Indian Cormorant. The Indian Cormorant or Indian Shag is a member of the cormorant family. Similar to Little Cormorant, but note the slightly larger size and shape of the head, flat on Little Cormorant and rounded on Indian Cormorant. It is found mainly along the inland waters of the Indian Subcontinent, but extending west to Sindh and east to Thailand and Cambodia. A dark duck-like waterbird with blue-green eyes, a rounded head, a sloping forehead, and a long and slender bill that is sharply hooked at the tip. Like all cormorants, frequently seen swimming with its body low in the water, head and neck pointing upward and suddenly disappearing underwater to catch fish. Often perches upright on a rock, drying itself with outstretched wings. Their calls are like locally named Indu Diyakawa. I have seen the Indian Cormorant everywhere. One such place I have seen them is Kalundewa. During our stay in Kalundewa, we stayed in a hotel called Kalundewa Retreat. It's a 100-acre property with a lot of biodiversity. There is also a man-made lake where you can do kayaking and spot many birds while doing so.